Hello everyone. Finally, PMV electric microcar launched in India at the price range of 4,79,000 rupees. It will be travel up to 200 kilometers in a single charge, and the seating capability of this microcar is only 2 person. This electric microcar gets new look and design as well. At the front section of this electric car, it gets circular LED headlamp and DRLs, Fox front grills finished in black, and in the rear section it gets LED tail light also. This microcar has 5 doors like some normal car, rear view mirrors, wiper, and it is spotted in red color with black constructing elements. This microcar gets a lot of features like dash mounted instrument cluster and infotainment system as well, 4G connectivity, riding modes, feet-free driving, remote parking assist, cruise control, remote connectivity and Bluetooth connectivity, onboard navigation, access to music control, call alert and control. So these are the basic features of this smallest microcar. After that we will see in the powertrain specifications. This microcar is powered by lithium ferrophosphate battery pack and a single electric motor, and this electric motor is capable to generate a peak output power of 13.4 bhp and 50 Nm peak output torque also. The weight carrying capability of this electric car is around 550 kgs, and the top speed of this electric car is 70 km per hour, and it achieves 0 to 40 km speed in just 5 seconds. So the performance is really good for the daily lifestyle users. PMV microcar has different range options like 120 km, 160 km and 200 km in a single charge. So the pricing will definitely vary according to it. The charging type is also good. It fully charges in just 3 to 4 hours. This microcar gets 13-inch alloy wheels, and the braking duty of this microcar is handled by the disc brake at the front side and drum brake at the rear side. And it has also regenerative braking system, so it will be generate a power through the braking. So after that, talking about the dimensions, the length of this microcar is 2915 mm and width is 1157 mm, height is 1600 and 280 mm wheelbase also. So this is the basic features and specifications of this microcar. Hopefully you like it and enjoy it. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching.